Welcome children in chemistry class. In this class, you will study in detail about decomposition reaction. You know, decomposition reaction is that reaction in which a compound either break into two elements or two simpler compounds or one element or one compound. So in the decomposition reaction, a compound is going to break into two or more substances. So in what type of substances is going to break? On the basis of that, we can say there are three types of decomposition reaction. First one is in that a compound is going to break into elements. See, example of this type of reaction is mercuric oxide, that is HgO. It is going to break into mercury and oxygen. So here a compound is going to break into two elements. Now second one is in which a compound is going to break into an element and a compound. Example is potassium nitrate, KNO3. Potassium nitrate break into potassium nitrite, KNO2, and oxygen. So there one element and one compound. Compound is potassium nitrate, it break into potassium nitrite and oxygen. Third example is in which a compound break into two compounds or more than two substances, like ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate is NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. It is ammonium dichromate. On heating, ammonium dichromate break into chromium oxide, Cr2O3, water and nitrogen. So their ammonium dichromate NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. It is ammonium dichromate. It is going to break into chromium oxide. Chromium oxide is Cr2O3, water and nitrogen. Their reactant is only ammonium dichromate, but products are two compound and one element. Therefore, I told in the decomposition reaction, a compound break into, compound decompose and give two elements. A compound decompose and give one compound and one element. A compound decompose and give two or more than two substances, two or more than two compounds. So these are the decomposition reaction. But decomposition reaction occurs how? For completing the decomposition reaction, what conditions are required? So conditions are decomposition occurs in the presence of heat. If it is in the presence of heat, that is thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. In the thermal decomposition, compound break into two or more than two simpler substances by heating. So when a compound is heated, then it is going to break into two or more simpler substances. Like example is mercuric oxide. Mercuric oxide decompose into mercury and oxygen by heating. This triangle is the symbol of heat. So when it is heated, then it break into mercury and oxygen. Other example is decomposition of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. CaCO3 is calcium carbonate. It is going to decompose on heating. This triangle is the symbol of heat. Now product which are produced, calcium oxide, CaO, and carbon dioxide. So on heating, calcium carbonate decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is called thermal decomposition reaction. Sometimes compound will decompose by in the presence of catalyst. See, example is MnO2. MnO2 is the catalyst. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2 decompose into H2O and O2 in the presence of manganese dioxide. So due to presence of manganese dioxide, hydrogen peroxide is going to break into water and oxygen. So this is called catalytic decomposition. Third one is decomposition by light. So that is photolytic decomposition or photochemical reaction. So in the photochemical reaction, their decomposition reaction occurs due to energy of sunlight, or decomposition reaction which occurs in the presence of light. So that is called photochemical decomposition. Their silver chloride, it will break into silver and chlorine. Silver chloride break into silver and chlorine by light. In the presence of light, this decomposition reaction occurs. When a compound come in the contact of the light, is going to decompose. Its composition will change. Therefore, children, you will see on the certain medicines bottle or the wrapper written, keep it away from the sunlight. If direct sunlight will reach, or it will come in the contact of direct sunlight, photochemical decomposition reaction will take place and composition of the chemical which present in the medicine, that will change. Next one is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition, a decomposition reaction which is brought about by passage of electric current. So when by passage of electric current, their water decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. So how water will decompose into hydrogen oxygen? By electric current. Electric current. So electric current will change, break water into hydrogen oxygen. This is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. So children, you have to study what are the different types of decomposition reaction. First is thermal decomposition reaction. Second is catalytic decomposition reaction. Third is electrolytic decomposition reaction. And fourth is photochemical decomposition reaction.